Yeah, YouTube, why not deal with it? Thing good. Kinda dark still, but kinda dark, but I saw it set still. I do a long time I do a little video still. Jamaica, wanna say, everything good. Europe, America, Caribbean. On a stay. Big up to all of my subscribers them. So I say, new subscriber them, loyal subscriber them. The subscriber them were first subscriber me just put up a channel. Big up on yourself, one love, you don't know anything set. You see me I say. So what me I say now? Me I say right now. Hold on, somebody a call me. Can't take no call. I'm sorry about that, man. This is not the phone me use for video, but I just do a quick video in my car right now. So me I say so. What me I say now? You have some vlogger that do some video about crime in Jamaica. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, it cause some problem with some other people and stuff. You see me I say. Sometimes I wish if me not get to see none of them news. Even the Jamaica news station like the big news, them CVM and TVJ and the whole like news outlet, even the newspaper like Observer, Gleaner, Star, all of them, X News, all of them. So I say, sometime me not bother look for no news. Cause every time you look for the news you see some dangerous thing. So I say some gruesome thing, you know what I mean? And you know like them thing that call people, human being supposed to when they live loving. You see me I say. But I don't know, it just get out of control right now, you know what I mean? And people killing and them thing, they get out of control. That's what I say. So what I say right now, I want to talk to my Jamaican young men them. That's what I say, young men them of Jamaica. Remember saying, Uno are the future, you know. Uno are the man right now, you know. All of the young man them, you know. Uno are the man right now, you know. And if you know get up and just kill off one another brethren, we now go have no man for produce more youth for tomorrow. The nation I go dead out. You see me I say? So me I beg on all our young man them at Jamaica, me I beg on man, just cut down on the killing brethren. You see me I say? Just think before you do it. You see me I say? Cut down on the killing brethren. You see me I say? And if a drugs are not take me gonna behave them way, they no ease off for drugs. You see me I say? Yeah, because me see this morning me get up and me get a video on my WhatsApp star. Me can't show up on the channel, you know. Two brother them knock out, you know, gruesome, you know what I mean? And me can't put up a picture of them on the WhatsApp, yeah. On the YouTube, yeah. So I say so. Me just have to just me I say me no want be a channel where me no want my channel be a channel where me I put up gruesome murder and stuff like that and talk about killing every day. You see me I say? But it dey happen. You see me I say it dey happen in our country. So, you know, what me I say, my video is to let you guys know, say, yo, no just cut back on the killing, brethren. You see me I say, cause it can't help. It can't help. Cause in the day, you know, when you check where everything I come from, you know, they come from the head of the stream. You see me, politician a give out gun to youth, young youth. Plus, you have colonizer in our country, Chinese them and them people the way they give you them gun as well. You see me I say? So in the day, we have to, as a young youth, no, we have to look in ourselves and think and say, yo, Jano, first to commence, you know. The people them brainwash the youth them, you know. That's why I see a lot of bleaching going on in Jamaica. Everybody want to turn white man. You see me I say? And in the day, you're not born white. You see me I say, white man a white man, black man a black man. You see me I say, Chinese man a Chinese man, Indian a Indian. You know, just accept how the Almighty create all of us. The Almighty create us, all of us, for glorify earth, you know, for beautify earth. So you have to have different type of people. You see me I say, so in idea, just accept who you are. Nobody go bleach out yourself. And in idea that I brainwash, you know, because they might tell us, say, yo, black nation is nothing. You see me I say, so you don't want to see yourself as black. So you're going to bleach. But black are beauty, brethren. You see me I say, so in idea, if you get the mindset there and looking at yourself, you're not going to kill a brother. Because when you go kill a brother, yourself you kill. In idea. Because Jamaica have gold, you know, man. Jamaica a rich place, you know. That's why everybody want, you know. See them find oil out there now, you know. You see me I say, and the politician them and the prime minister them, all what them a do is sell out the country, brethren. You see me I say, and then when they sell out the country now and have these people come in now, these people see a loophole where if you take over. So in idea, if John Brown a do a business around there, so you know. You see me I say, your black brother do a business around there, so you know. Him, the Chinese man or the white man or whosoever man were coming, the colonizer were coming in our country, you know. Him we take up a gun and get a little youth because a little youth not have no knowledge. Him not think him young and him brain a move fast. And I say, yo, you can't earn $1, you know. You see me I say, but you have to do something for me. You see me I say, yo, a brother there put up a business side for me and he man yam my food. So when you take him out and I pay you. You see me I say, and it's just, if you just go over there and just press the trigger and the man dead and him get a fast money, him get a 25 or a 30 grand or whatever. And that I don't know money, brethren. That is 25 grand in a US is just $200. You see me I say? So that I don't know money. You see me I deal with, and in idea, even if you don't get enough of money on that, you should have think and I say, yo, John, I'm own, me I go kill you. You see me I say, me I go kill my own, so in idea, that now go benefit me nothing. You see me I say, so in idea, that I go on to Jamaica. You see me I say, and then now, once the man them have a gun, you know, because you don't know, in every country, people go fight. You see me and quarrel and thing like that. And for a man have a gun, you know, easiest thing just once you press the trigger, you know, a man dead, you know. A man now go say, yo, I go fight and tussle and fist and kick and a man now too much energy he put out in that. So a man now go do that. So he go just press the trigger. So an idea, when these people come in and give you guys the gun, a dangerous thing they do, you know, them know what them are doing, you know. Them want to get rid of you know. You see me I say, because an idea you get a gun from a man, you not go want to go kill him. You go want to kill somebody out there where you say, yo, a pussy that this me. You see me I say, and I didn't think they are going. So me I beg you, young youth of Jamaica, me I beg you. You see me I say, think before you do it. You see me I say, put down a gun them, brethren. Put down a gun them till when time trouble and tribulation come. When trouble and tribulation come, when people are moving pound and decide, say, yo, because one day, alright, me telling you, you see, if you want to go on to Jamaica right now, riches did it. And everybody want to move in, forget it. Because if you notice, when the Spanish them coming up, a certain place at Jamaica they want to buy. You know? Because I see it right now, some Spanish are come over the mystic and say, Emma go run the airport, Emma go manage the airport at Kingston, then them are over it. Anyway, you see Spanish them, because I remember saying, you know, Spaniard them were in Jamaica back in our history, you know. You see me I say, and them stash certain things in our country. You see me I say, so anyway, you see Spanish them a come for one buy out, and if you sell them it. You see me I say, and in idea, we as Jamaican have to stand up to, we can't leave everything to the government too. So first thing we have to do, we have to unite. You see me I say, we have to unite and stand up for is. And in idea, you go there Jamaica and you go the whole of the country go sell out the whole of the part, the money pot, the whole of the money pot I go sell out, brethren. And then in idea, you don't know say Jamaica government now provide no job for you them. Cause me do a video where me I say the government for build up some institution and train some more youth and get some factory and get some more youth to work and get everybody busy. So I say an idea, a video, me do that video there about a year now and I don't even think that video they get. I'm not sure if I 1 year, full year, but a good while now me do a video and I not think that video get 100 views all now. You see me I say? I not think so. But in time I do a mix up video them, me get only per 1,000 views. You see me I say? So an idea, I kind of fight it because a positiveness I want to bring across to my people them. You get what I say? So an idea, I fight it. That's why I beg you to say subscribe, share, like. You see me I say? Put up a thing. Make it thing go viral. You see me I say? That I beg you. So an idea, I beg you young youth. Saying, think before you do it. When you have a gun, put on your gun them, brethren. Put on your gun them till when time tribulation. Remember back in the days, man, pirates come in from people in the island, and turn them in a slave. Remember that, You see me? All the history when you get to school and I say, yo, man come from Africa. Black people went up on the island. And they move in from people. You see me? I say, so man are no fool. And the money meant them what they must say black people talent, Money meant them what they have in the island, then destroy them, And destroy the money meant them, Just for brainwash you, just so that they can get for brainwash you. So when they move in, then destroy all our historical thing just for brainwash we. You see me I say? So an idea of brainwashing cause all this corruption today. While the youth them have to kill off themselves. Brainwashing. Everybody confused. You see me I say? First they make you confused with the skin color where you have. And I make you look like say it's nothing. You know what I mean? But you is beauty, man. You is beauty. You is beauty in the creator side. You see me I say? You have to know that and love yourself. And love yourself and then you're going to love your brother. You see me I say? Because right now, if you tell you the truth, if you come back to Jamaica and live right now, it's kind of hard. Because if me live at Jamaica, I want to see every youth uplift. I don't want to see no youth killing one another. And then, the man them, all you talk to them, then nah here. You see me I say, so an idea now, me come to Jamaica and live now, me have to think now, say, yo, me have to go strap. Whether legal or illegal, me have to strap, because when man come, me have to can fling back bullet. You see me I say, so me have to think war. You see me I say, so no turn the place in a war zone done. You see me I say, so me a beg you. Me a beg you, brethren. And put down your gun, brethren. It's easy for do, It's easy for put down your gun them in the blood. It's easy for put down your gun them, When Mr. Parliament tell us, lick down a man and come for your 25 grand, tell him, no do that. You see me I say? No do that. You see me? Don't do that. You know what I mean? Because I have an idea. When you do that now, when a man come up here if you lick down your brother, brethren, for 25 grand, that ain't no money. That not no value, brethren. And then a life gone down your drain. What have value. You see me I say? You never can tell. Me see one little boy, I'm about 10, 8, 10, about 8 to 10 of them range there. Company news. Him saving lunch money, eating a lunch, and him buy chicken and bill him little cook. I think about 8 to a dozen chicken him have. You see me I say? And trust me, but I love to bill a full cook give that you there. And make him start making money from now. You see me I say, trust me. Remember me telling you. And the government should look into that and say, and them a put him in the news. Them should build up a full cook right away and put on 2,000 chicken in a game. You see me I say, because man say he want on a farmer. Make him start managing things for him a youth. And then when he turn big man, you will see how he might go do. How he might go escalate in our business. You see me I say, and I saw we want to see all our young youth them rise up with something, get something. You see me I say, put down in negativity. We can't kill out one another, brethren, and then idiot them now sit down and laugh off away and say, hey man, I give him gun and he's killing. We don't have to do any killing. You see me I say, because I sit down and I analyze everything, None of the man them are coming in our country now and dead, And the man them were in our country are killing themselves and them just party country. You see me, separate the country and then them put you in a ghetto and say, yo, no work for you. And then you kill one another. Think about it. Think about it, man. And unite with the people, them and say, yo, we fight it. You see me, I say, because we fight out of slavery, must can fight out of this. Little bit easier. You see me, I say, so when you put on your gun, them, I beg you, please. Please, Jamaica young man, when you put on your gun, them, you can't help. You see me, I say, because in a day, life I got short, said you kill a brother and then you're dead, said we. It don't make no sense. You see me, I say, it don't make no sense. Life sweet in the blood. Life sweet, you know. Remember when me a young youth, you know, when me young, you know. Me a work my money on a party and the dearest clothes them, you know. You see me, I say, me a wear. You see me, I say, I buy my car, first car, I buy when me at 20. I work. And when me buy that car there, me a build up a house for a brother and he squits out the car with some of my money. That's my first car me out my own. You see me, I say, so any idea, when you just unite, brethren, unite. Make we unite, man, and put down a gun, man, and pray to your creator, man. Pray to your creator, man, and dash your gun, brethren. Put down a gun. Put down a gun for when time intruder come in from different country and say, yo, we could wipe out Jamaica. You have something can shoot back. Can I feel no way, now, one day some country go come in and say they want to wipe you out for take away your richness, you know. For take away paradise, you know. Paradise, that's so, you know. Me I beg on you, brethren. Me I beg on you, put down your gun, them. Stop killing on one another. Take your gun off on one another, blood. Just take your gun off on one another. You see me, I say, think about it. Nobody no fear dead, man. You see me, I say, everybody have a dream. Everybody have a hope on this. Everybody want to come up and be somebody and have fun. You see me, I say, when you cut out the negativity. You see me, I say, I make we unite and strong. You see me, I say, because when I look, you know, me looking at Africa, you know, and me see, most of Africa right now are unite, you know. You see me, I say. And the whole black nation all over the world right now is a time when we fear unite. You see me, I say. And me see this, when me see in the 80s, when me a little youth, it went kind of terrible. You see me, I say, through politics. And it cut back right now. It cut back, and then now, it cool down in the 90s and now it rise up back now. And a young youth them now they rise up and I do this heap of killing, senseless killing blood. You see me, I say, if we cut it out here now. You see me, make we just change it. We don't want nobody a black about news every day, man are dead and this and that. We don't want that. Make them get something else to black about. You see me, I say, so if we just stop it killing, then we have something else to black about. News station have nothing. Make them say, wow, Jamaica come round. You see me, I say, that we want. You see me, I say, I love you in Jamaica. Young youth, I love you. You see me, I say, God no. I wish I could have money for just build up some factory and some school and teach some youth and train some youth and turn them into the real man what them supposed to be. But I don't have the power there at the moment. You see me, I say, that's why I do a little video. You see me, I say, and Prime Minister them not do it. You see me, I say, so we within ourselves have to start, make a step. You know what I mean? Pull up the stocks. That's why the dirty part of life and take up the clean part of life. You see me, I say, Jamaica, I love you. You see me, I say, out of my heart, I tell you. Just put on your gun, man. You see me, I say, and make we have some fun. A lot of things that Jamaica can do. You see me, I say, yeah, man, one love. Just like and share that video and subscribe to my channel. You see what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel. I'm out. One love.